Welcome everyone, Nick Nolan here with MVP Realty. Check out this unique 3-bedroom plus den 2-bath home with a 1-1 guest home and an additional 30 by 30 detached garage on a 2.73 acre lot in a very desirable area off of Logan Blvd. You'll get the peace and serenity of the estates, but still be close to the world-class shopping, dining, and white sand beaches that made Naples famous. This home features a newly resurfaced pool with a new electric heater on an oversized, newly screened lanai with new travertine tile deck. The interior has been freshly painted with new, wide, engineered hardwood floors, new baseboards, new fans and lighting, new closet doors, and a renovated laundry room with storage cabinets and quartz counters. The kitchen features all new cabinetry, new appliances, new hood, and a stunning 130-inch island with new quartz countertops done in a dramatic waterfall. Both bedrooms have new vanities with quartz counters, new sinks, toilets, tubs, and showers. Join me this Saturday, February 11th from noon till 3 p.m. where I'll be hosting an open house at this property. I hope to see you there.